Introducing Latent Painter, which uses the latent as the canvas and the diffuser predictions as the plane to generate painting animation. First, the style transfer generates paintings in the style of famous artists. Then, the latent diffuser allows easy style transfer from the text prompts. Now, the Latent Painter animates the art generation as strokes by the artist. Other than the style transferred art, Latent Painter can also paint any output from the latent diffuser. That means photos. When the diffuser is being guided by an embedded text prompt, it is a text-to-image diffuser. Adding the Latent Painter to such diffuser turns the generated image into a generated animation. The painting happens at the latent space, which is the UNet output of the denoising process. At each denoising step, the predicted final output improves, but only the channels with highest information gain will be painted. At the painting channel, the stroke is placed at the most informative location, and then updated with the current predicted output. At the location and channel not being updated, the information gain is accumulated and rolled over to the next step. Using the denoising prediction as the planner, the stroke detail becomes finer and finer toward the latter painting steps, and eventually finish the painting. Therefore, the painting action is a consequence of the partially restricted information flow into the final output. We can do more than the strokes. To the left is the fade effect that gradually releases the update, step by step, into the output. On the right-hand side is the radius growing effect that visualizes the center of mass in information gain. More non-stroking animations by the Latent Painter. To the left is the dissolve effect, where the information update can be both forward and backward, and is synchronized vertically. It also works for other directions or ways of synchronization. To the right is the zigzag update, which mimics the page flipping in diagonal. Latent Painter can also transit images. During the transition, the information flow runs the source image schedule backward, and then the destination image schedule forward. This provides a fade-in transition alternative to the existing morphological interpolation, as shown in the middle. Moreover, the Latent Painter can transit between images coming from two different sets of checkpoints. When the source and destination images share a certain part of background, such as in image editing, the interpolated latents between the source latent and the destination latent can be used as the prediction guidance. This provides crispy frames by avoiding the guidance from during denoising. For more detail, please visit latentpainter.github.io. Thanks for watching.